Welcome back to English Verse. Today we will learn how to order food in English. Are you ready for a helpful lesson?
I am ready, and I'm sure our learners will enjoy this topic. Ordering food is something we all do, so this lesson will be very useful.
Great. Let's get started with the first question. When we enter a restaurant, what is the first thing we usually say?
You can say, table for one, please, or table for two, please. This is simple and natural.
What if someone wants a special place to sit?
Then they can say, can we have a table near the window, or can we sit outside?
All right. And what if the restaurant is full?
The staff might say, please wait for a few minutes. You can reply, sure, no problem.
That is helpful. What is another thing we can ask for when we sit down?
You can say, can I have the menu, or could we get the menu, please?
When the server gives us the menu, what can we say?
You can simply say, thank you. It is polite and natural.
What if we need some time to decide?
You can say, I need a minute, please, or can you give us a little more time?
All right. And what if we do not understand something on the menu?
You can ask, what is this? Or what does this come with? Or is this spicy? These are very common questions.
That is good. What if someone wants a suggestion?
They can ask, what do you recommend? Or what is popular here?
Now let's move to ordering the food. What is a simple way to say we are ready?
You can say, I am ready to order. Or we are ready to order now.
And how do we order a dish?
A very simple way is to say, I will have the chicken burger. Or I would like the pasta. Then you can say, I will have a large pizza. Or can I get a small soup?
Good examples. What if the restaurant has sides or extras?
You can say, does it come with fries? Or can I add a salad?
All right. And what if we want to try something simple?
Then you can say, I will try the sandwich. Or I will try the special of the day.
Sometimes people worry about ingredients. How can they ask?
They can say, what is in this dish? Or does this have nuts? Or is this gluten free?
That is useful. What about allergies?
They can say, I am allergic to peanuts. Or please do not add cheese.
What if someone wants to know if a dish is spicy?
They can ask, is it spicy? Or can you make it less spicy?
Many people have special preferences. What are some simple requests?
You can say, no onions, please. Or extra sauce, please. Or can I have it without salt?
That is very clear. What if someone wants to change something in the dish?
Then they can say, can I replace the fries with salad? Or can I change the drink to water?
And what if we want more of something?
You can say, can I get extra cheese? Or can I have more napkins?
All right. What if the server asks, how would you like it cooked?
You can answer, well done. Or medium. Or medium rare. These are for meat dishes.
Now, let's talk about drinks. How do we order drinks in a simple way?
You can say, can I have a glass of water? Or I would like an orange juice. Or I will have a coffee.
What if we want a cold drink?
You can say, well, can I get a cold drink? Or can I have a soda?
And how do we ask about refills?
You can say, can I get a refill? Or can I have more water?
During the meal, the server often checks on us. What can they ask?
They may ask, how is everything? Or is everything okay?
And how can we reply politely?
You can say, everything is great, thank you. Or, it is very good.
What if we need something?
You can say, could I have some more water? Or, can I get some ketchup?
These are very useful for everyday life. When we finish eating, how do we ask for the bill?
You can say, can I get the bill, please? Or, could you bring the check?
That is simple. What if we want to pay separately?
You can say, can we split the bill? Or, we will pay separately.
And how do we ask about payment methods?
You can say, do you take card? Or, can I pay with cash?
Great. And what should we say when we leave?
You can say, thank you, or have a nice day.
Simple verbs make speaking easier.
Third, use time words like in my free time, on weekends, after work, in the evening.
Very helpful advice. So today we learned many ways to talk about free time in English.
Yes, and learners can use these sentences every day.
Thank you for joining us on EnglishVerse.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and enjoy your English journey.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care, everyone.